The 2025 Subaru Outback arrives with a familiar silhouette but refreshed attitude, staying true to its reputation as a rugged yet refined crossover wagon. Subaru has taken a subtle but effective approach to its redesign. The front fascia gets a sharper grille, revised headlights, and a more sculpted bumper, offering a modern edge without abandoning its classic DNA. The Outback continues to appeal to those who crave adventure but need daily practicality. Its generous ground clearance, now up to 9.5 inches on the wilderness trim, ensures it can handle uneven terrain without breaking a sweat. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive remains standard, reinforcing the Outback's reputation as a go-anywhere vehicle, while the standard EyeSight suite of safety features sees improvements in responsiveness and lane centering. The lineup still includes the Wilderness, Limited, Touring, and Onyx trims, each catering to different drivers, whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily commuter. From its outdoorsy build to its family-friendly safety profile, the 2025 Outback is a continuation of Subaru's core philosophy: reliability, utility, and adventure-ready confidence. Step inside the 2025 Outback, and you'll find a cabin that blends functionality with modern comfort. The layout is clean and driver-focused, with a large 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen anchoring the dashboard, now with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Even base trims offer soft-touch materials and durable finishes, while upper trims, like the Touring, introduce Napa leather seats, ventilated front cushions, and a heated steering wheel, elevating the cabin to near-luxury levels. Subaru has improved the screen's responsiveness and menu navigation for a better in-car tech experience, and the Harman Kardon premium audio system available on higher trims enhances the overall ambience. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom and wide rear doors, while cargo space remains one of the Outback's standout features. With 32.6 cubic feet behind the second row and up to 75.6 cubic feet when folded flat, plus hidden underfloor compartments and built-in roof rail crossbars, the Outback is ready for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The cabin is quiet, smartly laid out, and built with active lifestyles in mind. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Outback offers two engine options that cater to different types of drivers. The standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-four produces 182 horsepower and delivers a calm, fuel-efficient ride, perfect for city driving and long highway stretches. But for those who crave more muscle, Subaru continues to offer the 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-four engine, which churns out 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. This engine is standard on XT and Wilderness trims and makes a noticeable difference in passing power, off-road capability, and towing, which maxes out at 3,500 pounds. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and while CVTs aren't usually exciting, Subaru's version is smooth and well-tuned for both engines. Fuel economy remains competitive, with the base engine returning around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 on the highway, while the turbocharged option slightly reduces those figures in exchange for better performance. With symmetrical all-wheel drive and standard X mode, the Outback maintains traction and stability across various terrains, from snow-packed roads to muddy trails. Subaru's commitment to practicality meets performance here, giving drivers choices based on how and where they drive most. Driving the 2025 Subaru Outback reveals a comfortable and composed experience across a wide range of road conditions. Subaru has made subtle tweaks to the suspension that improve both ride quality and handling stability. Whether you're navigating city potholes or taking a long highway trip, the Outback delivers a quiet and settled ride with minimal road noise. The steering is light and responsive, and the vehicle feels predictably grounded in corners, even if it's not meant to be sporty. Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assistance System performs better than ever, offering smooth adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane centering, all working to reduce driver fatigue during long commutes. On the wilderness trim, things get even more interesting. With all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, and enhanced X-Mode settings, the Outback becomes a legitimate off-road companion. Brake response is firm and confident, and visibility is excellent thanks to slim pillars and large windows. Whether you're merging onto the highway, navigating a twisty back road, or crawling up a steep trail, the Outback handles each scenario with composure and ease. It's one of those rare vehicles that feels just as comfortable on gravel paths as it does in suburban parking lots. In the end, the 2025 Subaru Outback stays true to its roots while making all the right modern refinements. It's still the versatile, dependable, and adventure-friendly vehicle that Subaru fans have come to love, now with updated tech, better ride quality, and improved safety systems. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's exactly what makes it so appealing. The Outback continues to strike a unique balance between SUV capability and wagon practicality, making it a standout in a crowded segment. For those who need a daily driver that can also take on camping trips, snowstorms, or mountain passes, the Outback remains one of the best options out there. The base trims offer great value, while the XT and Wilderness trims bring extra performance and ruggedness for more adventurous buyers. If you're looking for something different from the typical compact SUV, something that handles real-world challenges with grace and grit, the 2025 Outback deserves a serious look. Subaru has refined the formula without diluting what makes this model special. Reliable, ready, and resilient, the Outback continues to lead its class in all the ways that matter.